What's up guys for today's video? So alam nyo ba guys na namonetize yung aking kapatid kahit na marami siyang violation, marami siyang copyright at marami siyang community guideline. Yes, kasi ang kriteriya po ng ads on Reels ay basta lang makapag-viral ka ng video, may chance ka nang ma-invite sa ads on Reels. Pero guys, alam naman natin na pag ang hinahabol nating kriteriya ay ang in-stream ads, dapat sumunod ka sa standard ni Meta, wala kang copyright, wala kang community guidelines violation. So silipin natin yung support inbox ng aking kapatid na namonetize na siya sa ads on Reels. So guys, tingnan nyo po yung aking tutorial for today. So it will help you to remove the copyright violation and community guideline violation. At balikan nyo po yung mga previous violation nyo na it's been long time like 2008, 2020, 2010. So tingnan natin kung ano ang ating gagawin. So dito lang po yan. So nasa profile na po ako ng aking kapatid. Guys, scroll down tayo, then pumunta po tayo sa support inbox. Yes, you just go to support inbox. The support inbox, the all violation that you have, you can check from there. So open it. So check your alert. You can check your alert guys. So as you can see, my sister has too many violation. So in order to her to monetize and stream ads, so kailangan ma-remove po lahat po itong mga violation na ito. We need to remove this all kind of violation. So she has copyright, majority of violation. She has copyright, and of course she have also your post against community standard spam. So let me delete one copyright violation. So ganun lang po guys. So open it. For example, open the video that has violation. So ito, open, then see details, continue, scroll the continue, then continue. Just always press the continue, then you have three options there. So accept the change and submit dispute and remove the video. Guys, we do not have the license to accept the changes or dispute the video, so we need to remove because we do not have the license of the music that she used. So i-delete po natin yan guys. Remove the video. Okay, the video was removed already. So the next one, so how to remove the community guidelines violation. So mag-remove din tayo ng isa. Guys, alinawin ko lang, magre-remove lang ako each one of violation para aware kayo. Mamaya ko na ayusin lahat ng violation ng aking kapatid. So example guys, two of your posts goes against our community standard or spam. So kailangan din natin i-remove to in order to her to monetize and stream ads. So tinutulungan ko yung aking kapatid guys kasi monetize na nga siya sa ads on Reels, and she approached me to check my support inbox and remove all my violation in order to monetize and stream ads. So tinulungan ko, syempre kapatid ko na nga yan. Tumutulong ako sa ibang tao, what more pa sa aking kapatid, di ba? So ayun na nga. So nung i-open natin yon, yung itong post against our community standard spam, so i-open po natin yan. See option. So guys, mayroon siyang October 8 and January 8 na post. So kung i-open po natin yan, you goes against our community standard on spam. So click on the arrow in the right side, i-click po natin. So naglo-loading siya guys. So wait lang po natin. So ayun guys. So ibig sabihin yung kapatid ko po, he shared video last October 25, 2018. So in order to remove this community standard on spam violation, you need to screenshot this video. Guys, screenshot this video and go back to 2018 October 25. So, kailangan bumalik tayo doon. We need to return back 2018 to delete this video. So, my sister shared this video on her wall. So, we need to remove this one. So, we need to go to menu and click her profile and click the 3-dot line at the right side and go to the activity log. If you are there in the activity log, public post, click the public post. So ano siya guys, matagal. Ayan. Nakita nyo ba yung arrow pa ganon, arrow pa kabila, left and right arrow. So click on it. So ibig sabihin, i-ano natin, i-category natin. So lahat na po siya, all category. So mabagal guys ha. Category then to the date. Year is 2018, October 25. Then click on it. So ayan guys, i-click natin done. Click the done. So guys, as you can see, yung year ng aking kapatid, which is that was October 25, 2018. So we need to remove this one. So nag-share po siya ng link na ganito. So guys, any kind of link kasi bawal kung hindi naman po siya authentic. So i-delete po natin yan. So delete this post. And this one also delete. Basta any kind of guys, magkukos ng violation mo, dapat i-delete mo na. So ayan na po. So pag na-delete, basta guys, remember lahat ng na-share nyo na video, dinelete nyo na sa inyong wall, i-delete nyo pa ulit sa trash bin. Kasi remember, sa trash bin, it will stay there for 30 days. So after 30 days, that will be automatic deleted. So you need to delete as well. So ayun, nanghihingi siya ng password. So i-need nyo pong i-enter ang inyong password. Then after that, madi-delete na po. So guys, ganun lang po. I hope may natutunan po kayo. Isa yun sa mga paraan para ma-approve po tayo sa in-stream ads. Kailangan malinis po natin yung ating support inbox. Ma-delete po lahat yung mga copyright music, mga community standard violation, mga spam, dapat ma-delete po yun. So, ganun lang po. And after that, pag na-delete nyo po na lahat, malinis na po ang inyong support inbox, ang inyong mga na-post dati na nag-cause ng violation, pwede na po kayong ma-approve niyan pag mag-apply kayo ng in-stream ads. I hope may natutunan kayo. I-follow nyo po ako for more update and marami pang tutorial. Thank you po and have a nice day.